So I have a question. Looking at this, Jess, can you tell me if you didn't know how many cubes were here? Like, I'm just going to take some off, so now we don't even know how many there are. Because you don't even know how many I took off. Can you tell me if this is an even number?
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Well, people said just pretty quickly. So how do you know that this is an even number? Jess, how do you know this is even?
Because they're both the same height.
They're both the same height?
Which means they're both the same number.
Which means these two are both the same number.
Because they both have whatever number they're all together, that they are all together there. Because they're both
Sawyer?
even and stuff. Well, even both ways, even like
Just sit there, but
like the top is all even, then even like they're all even numbers.
Oops. The top is all even, so that makes it an even number? Why does it make it an even number if the top is all even?
Because it means that they're the same amount of numbers.
So it means they're the same amount. But that's what we started out saying. If you added this and this, then it's even. So you're saying it's even because we added this and this.
They used to be the same height.
Mm-hmm. Well, there's
And they're still the same height. So it's still even.
So it's still even. They're the same height and it's even. So if I took these, is this an even number?
Yes.
How can you tell?
Well, first of all, I know 6 is an even number.
Oh, you can just see it's 6.
But then they're both just the same as that one, even though it's little or just the same.
Can somebody try Elizabeth's test on here? Elizabeth, can you come try your test on here? Can you just break through there? Could you just break through it, Elizabeth?
Just break it.
And put it back together.
You guys are amazing, huh? Can you try your test on there, Elizabeth?
Will you go like this?
Elizabeth, can you face?
Can you face David so people can see? There you go.
Say.
Then you guys-
I can't face.
Why don't you guys stand up for a minute and look over the top of her then? Fine. Go ahead, Elizabeth.
2 and that's 2 and that's 2. So that means it's an even number. But if there was one more, which would make 7, then it wouldn't be an even number.
Okay, so Elizabeth, thank you. Can you go back to your spot? So Elizabeth said, is this right? Look at, because I didn't see Elizabeth. So tell me if this is right. Did she say that's 2 and that's 2 and that's 2?
Yes.
So she pointed, she didn't talk about them being the same height this way. She said that's 2 and that's 2 and that's 2. But can anyone see pairs in here that go together?
Yeah.
Anywhere?
Yeah, I see lots of 2s, 4s.
Can you show me, Jess? Can you just come and point to where you see pairs that go together?
All down because like 2, 2, 2, 2, like that.
Mm-hmm. If I did this, if I showed you something like this, would you tell me that's an even number or not even number?
No, it's an odd number.
This is an odd number. Even though you don't know what number it is, you say this is an odd number. Do you agree, Sawyer? Yeah. Christian, do you agree? Can you put the box down, sweetheart? Thanks. Do you agree that this is even or odd?
Odd.
Odd? What if I did this? What's that?
Odd.
No, even.
Wow, you changed. Some people change their minds.
Oh,
What-
even.
Why do you think this is odd?
Because I think it's even.
Anybody think it's odd?
No?
Who thinks it's even?
I do.
Raise your hand if you think it's even.
Anais, why do you think it's even? I don't see them being the same. People talked about making 2s or something. I don't see.
But there is 2.
Oh.
But there is 2.
There is 2s, Hannah?
2. Here's 2.
Oh, these are a 2.
Here's